Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Madeline from the American Lung Association, and with me today we have Susan from Team Citadel. Thank you for joining us. So we just wanted to let you guys know that we are extending our early bird registration just 13 more hours, because if you have not looked at the calendar yet today is Friday the 13th. So we just wanted to let you know that there's no scares this Friday the 13th, just stairs. So our first stair climb that we have going on this season is on February 12th at Oakbrook Terrace Tower. And on March 5th, we have one downtown Chicago at Presidential Towers, which is sponsored by United Healthcare. So for our early bird extended until 9:30 tonight. So if you register before 9:30, registration will only be $15. After that, it'll go up $10. So Susan, thank you again for being here with us today. Do you want to share a little bit about why you started climbing with us?
Sure. So in 2012, I was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. Had always been healthy. I never smoked. And I feel that had I and my doctors been made more aware and were better educated about the symptoms of lung cancer, maybe I would have been diagnosed sooner. So I climb for lung cancer research, and I do that in hopes that we'll find better treatments and more treatments for all of us that are living with the disease, and then also to find the causes and prevention of lung cancer for those who have not been diagnosed.
Mm-hmm. And so how long have you been climbing with us?
2013 was the first climb that Team Citadel did, and we started out with 16 people. We've climbed every year since. Last year we had 99 people, and this year on March 5th we hope to have over 100.
Wow, that's a lot of people, and
Yeah,
in a short amount of time you just completely grew your team. So can you tell us a little bit about how you've built your team out? I mean, 16 to 100, sounds like a lot of work. So how did you build your team?
Building the team was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be, because people just love to do the climb. I love to do the climb, and we look forward to it every year. We get our friends and family involved, and a lot of the people on my team are climbing in support of me. Because I have lung cancer, but then there are so many people on the team I don't even know, I've never met. I meet them on the day of the climb, but they're climbing for people they know who've been affected by lung cancer or lung disease. So it just goes to show how big this cause is and how many people are affected by it.
And it's amazing the support that Citadel gives to you and to all of the members on your team. I mean, it's not so much of just, this is a requirement because you work for Citadel, but it's a lot of because people want to do it.
Yes.
Because like you said, it's such a fun environment. So, you said building your team was easy. What are some ways that you did it? I mean, did you send out emails? Did you get phone calls? Did you, hound people in the elevator at work? Like, what were some of the tactics that you did?
All of those and more. It started with just registering for the climb, and then putting together my personal page, the team page on your website, and then sending emails out from there to pretty much everybody I know, everyone on my contact list. I've sent out well over 1,000 emails already. And then just recruiting everywhere I go. It's actually pretty fun. And some of the places you mentioned, and there's just so many other places that you can recruit.
Absolutely. So just like Susan mentioned, as soon as you register, you get your own personal website that you can go and people can donate to you. You can send emails out to others. Susan's done 1,000 this year. You've done thousands others in years past, so it's super easy. Susan, thank you so much for being here with me today and talking a little bit about, why you climb and building your team. I really appreciate it. We all really appreciate it. So just as a reminder, February 12th, the climb at Oakbrook Terrace Tower, March 5th at Presidential Tower, sponsored